Hi, this is Mike Sapari, and this is my project video for CSHP 220, where we had to make an application that tracked basically some kind of inventory. So I'll start by launching the program, showing how it works. So my program is designed to keep track of the video game. Excuse me, I got something in my throat there, but so yeah, like I was saying, my program is designed to keep track of video games I own. So here we have the name of the game, the language it's in, the system, the price, a review score, so how much I liked it, and then the date that the game was added, and the ID, which really just increments for each new game. So I can sort them by alphabetically by clicking here, and it always puts the Korean ones on the bottom. I can sort them by language or system, which ones were more expensive. This is kind of the second most interesting one, is the review score lets you see which games are really good. So let's go ahead and add another game. So we go to new. So the game name is Dark Souls. Dark Soul. This was on PlayStation 3. The price was probably $60. The language is Korean. This was a good game, so I'll give it a 10. And then, great game. So this is a lot like the project we made in class. I mostly used a lot of that code and adapted it for this. So the first thing is it doesn't show up right away. I have to go to refresh, and here it is, Dark Soul, Korean, PlayStation 3, $60, review score, and the date I'm recording this and the day I'm adding it is the 28th. So the other features we can do is I can double click on one and edit it. So I can change this from the review score is 8, maybe, oh sorry, you can't see that. Maybe I change the score from an 8 to a 6, update, and here we have a 6 now. I also have this box that lets me edit or delete games based on their ID number. So I can say, here we go, Dark Souls 3, ID number 8, so I press 8, and now I can click edit or delete. We can edit first, and change it from a 9 to a 10, and you can see here, Dark Souls 3 changed to a 9, and now we can just go ahead and delete it, and it deletes it, and it updates my list automatically. So yeah, that's basically the program. Alright, so that was the program, and so now for bugs I ran into. The biggest problem I had was this game date added. One of these models was missing the game date added, and so in my code when I would add it, it would always say year 1, January 1st, 00, 0 hours, 0 minutes, 0 seconds. And it took me a long time to figure out what the problem was. But yeah, it turned out I was just missing from here. Another problem I had was in my main XAML CS. It was this function. Let's see. Yeah, this one. This is for my search in my search box. And it was it took me a long time to figure out how to get this one to work. And I don't think it's very good because this will search the box and open the edit page. And this one will search the box and delete it. So I feel like it should just search the box and then pass that to a different function. But I wasn't sure what this should return. So I just ended up doing the whole thing twice. And then my buttons, which you click, are here. They just have, sorry, here they are. So the button runs the game list search if it's not empty, and the delete button runs the game delete search if it's not empty. but I feel like it should send the game I'm searching for and then delete it, or send the game I'm searching for and then open the edit box in here. But like I said, I wasn't sure what it should return, so I just left it how it was. And then I only enable the buttons if they meet the regex, because my buttons are using int.parse. So if you put in something on accident, it would crash. So I use the regex to make it only numericals, and so now it works fine. Anyways, that's my project. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.